What is the name of India's first space mission? It's option B, Gaganyaan. What is the name of the first test flight launched for mission Gaganyaan? It's TV-D1, option B. When was the Gaganyaaan's first flight test vehicle aboard mission 1, TV-D1, conducted by ISRO? On 21st October 2023, option C. It was the part of Gaganyaan program to demonstrate the performance of the crew escape system. The first flight test vehicle aboard mission 1 was launched from blank. From Satish Dhawan Space Center, Sriharikota, Andhra Pradesh. Option A. Gaganyaan will be launched till option D. Outer space. In mission Gaganyaan, the rocket will inject the orbital vehicle into an orbit blank above Earth. 400 km. Option A. What is the name of the launch vehicle for mission Gaganyaan? It's GSLV Mark 3, option B. It's also called LVM-3. It is three-stage heavy lift launch vehicle which will be used to launch Gaganyaan, and it has the necessary payload capability. The GSLV-3 is nicknamed Blank because of its high payload capacity for space missions. It's Indian Bahubali, option C. LVM-3 rocket consists of blank engine. It's all of the above, option D. Orbital module that will be orbiting Earth comprises of blank. It comprises of both A and B, crew module CM and service module SM. Option C. Crew module is the habitable space with Earth-like environment in space for the crew members, and service module will be used for providing necessary support to the crew module when it will be in orbit. How much budget has been allocated for mission Gaganyaan? It's 9,023 crore rupees. Option A. Where did the crew module of Gaganyaan TV-D1 land? In Bay of Bengal. Option B. This capsule landed about 10 kilometers off the coast of Sriharikota. Which company has manufactured the crew module of Gaganyaan? It's manufactured by HAL. Option C. Hindustan Aeronautics Limited. Its headquarters is in Bangalore, India, and the Indian Ministry of Defence handles it. How many flights will be sent into low Earth orbit in mission Gaganyaan? Total 3. Option C. There will be 2 unmanned flights and then 1 human space flight. India will be blank country to explore the space if India succeeds in mission Gaganyaan. It will be fourth country. Option D. Which country has already successfully explored the space? It's all of the above: China, USA, Russia. Option D. What is the full form of GSLV? It's Geosynchronous Satellite Launch Vehicle. Option C. Which space agency is responsible for space missions in India? ISRO, Indian Space Research Organization. Option B. Where is the headquarters of ISRO? In Bengaluru, Karnataka. Option A. When was ISRO established? On 15th August 1969. Option D. Who is the chairman of ISRO at present? The present chairman of ISRO is S. Somanath. Option D. Who is known as Drone Man of India? Drone Man of India is Milind Raj. Option C. Aditya L1 is the India's first blank mission. The answer is option B, solar. When is mission Aditya L1 launched? Launched on 2nd September 2023. Option C. India has become blank country in Asia to launch solar mission. Its third country in Asia. Option D. Which space agency has launched solar mission Aditya L1? Launched by ISRO. Option C. Where will the spacecraft be placed in mission Aditya L1? It will be placed in hello orbit. Option A. Which is the first country to launch the solar mission? The answer is option B, Japan. The L in Aditya L1 stands for blank point. It's Lagrangian point. Option B. How many Lagrangian points are there in Sun-Earth system? There are 5 Lagrangian points. Option D. What is the advantage of having a satellite in the hello orbit around Lagrangian point 1 of the Sun-Earth system? Option A. To view the Sun without any blocks by clouds or eclipses. How many payloads are appointed on Aditya L1 mission? Total 7 payloads are appointed. Option D. What is the planned duration of the mission Aditya L1? It's 5.2 years. Option C. What is the name of the launch vehicle used for Aditya L1? It is PSLV C-57. Option C. How long will the spacecraft travel under the mission Aditya L1? It will travel 1.5 million km. Option B. Which layer of sun will be observed in mission Aditya L1? All of the above. Option D. Out of 7, how many remote sensing payloads are appointed on Aditya L1 mission? Total 4 remote sensing payloads: VELC, SUIT, SO-LEXS, HEL1OS. What is the approximate budget of mission Aditya L1? It's approximate 400 crores. Option C. Mission Aditya L1 will study all of the above. Option D. Out of 7, how many payloads are appointed for in situ studies on Aditya L1 mission? 3 payloads are appointed for in situ studies. They are ASPEX, PAPA, magnetometer. Which of the following payload is not there in Aditya L1 mission? There is no such payload as FCTA. Option A. Which payload is there to help in studying the temperature, velocity, and density of the corona on Aditya L1 mission? It's VLC, Visible Emission Line Coronagraph. Option C. VLC payload is handed over to ISRO by blank. Handed over by Indian Institute of Astrophysics. Option D. What is the full form of SUIT payload? It is Solar Ultraviolet Imaging Telescope. Option D. Blank is home to the Solar and Heliospheric Observatory Satellite (SOHO). L1 point. Option B. What is the expected duration for mission Aditya L1 spacecraft to inject into a large halo orbit around L1? It's 125 days. Option A. Solar and Heliospheric Observatory Satellite is an international collaboration project of blank. It's of NASA and ESA, National Aeronautics and Space Administration, and the European Space Agency. Option C. Mission Aditya L1 will be launched from Satish Dhawan Space Center, Sriharikota, Andhra Pradesh. Option A. What is the purpose of 4 remote sensing payloads on mission Aditya L1? To directly view the sun and record data. Option B. What is the full form of PSLV? It is Polar Satellite Launch Vehicle. Option D. Blank are points of equilibrium for small mass objects under the gravitational influence of 2 massive orbiting bodies. It's Lagrangian points. Option C. What was the former name of mission Aditya L1? It was Aditya 1. Option A. Who is the project director of mission Aditya L1? Nigar Shazi. Option D. Who is the mission director of mission Aditya L1? It's Biju S.R. Option B. Who is the chief scientist of Aditya L1 mission launched by ISRO? It's Dr. Sankara Subramaniam K. Option A. If successful, India will become blank country to place a spacecraft in L1 halo orbit. Fourth country. Option C. What is the total weight of Aditya L1 mission launched by ISRO? It's total 1475 kg. Option D. Lagrange points are named in honor of Italian-French mathematician blank. In the honor of Joseph Louis Lagrange. Option B. Which of the following country had launched mission Parker Solar Probe? It was launched by USA. Option A. Which of the following country had launched mission Hinotori? Launched by Japan. Option B. Which of the following country had launched mission ASOS? It was launched by China. In which year Ulysses solar mission was launched by Europe? In year 1990. Option B. Which of the following country has not launched any solar mission? Not launched by Canada. Option A. Where is the headquarters of ISRO? It's in Bengaluru, Karnataka. Option C. Who is the present chairman of ISRO? It's S. Somanath. Option B. Who is the founder of ISRO? Vikram Sarabhai. Option D. When was ISRO established? It was established on 15th August 1969. Option C. The spacecraft of Aditya L1 is powered by blank. It's powered by solar panels. Option A. SUIT payload is developed by blank. By Inter-University Center for Astronomy and Astrophysics, Pune. Option B. The SolAxis and HEL1OS payloads are developed by blank. Developed by UR Rao Satellite Center, Bengaluru. Option C. The ASPX payload is developed by blank. Developed by Physical Research Laboratory, Ahmedabad. Option A. The MAG payload is developed at blank. Developed at Laboratory for Electro-Optic Systems, Bengaluru. Option D. Which of the following was India's first moon mission? Option D. Chandrayaan 1. India's first lunar mission Chandrayaan 1 was launched from? The answer is option C, Sriharikota. India's first lunar mission Chandrayaan 1 was launched in year blank. In year 2008, option A. Which space agency is responsible for lunar missions in India? It's ISRO, option B. Who was the chairman of ISRO at the time of India's first lunar mission Chandrayaan 1? It's option B, G. Madhavan Nair. Which Indian lunar mission had discovered traces of hydroxyl and water on the surface of the moon? It's Chandrayaan 1, option A. What was the cost of Chandrayaan 1 mission? It's 386 crores rupees, option D. What was the name of the launch vehicle of Chandrayaan 1 mission? It's PSLV C-11, option C. When did Chandrayaan 1 mission stop working? On 29th August 2009, option B. Blank is a region where the moon impact probe struck the surface of the moon in Chandrayaan 1 mission. It's Javaha Point, option D. When was Chandrayaan 2 mission launched? On 22nd July 2019, option A. Which rocket was used in launching of Chandrayaan 2? It's GSLV Mk3M1, option B. What was the name of lander of Chandrayaan 2 mission? Vikram, option C. What was the name of rover installed in Chandrayaan 2 mission? Pragyan, option A. How many wheels were there in Pragyan rover installed in Chandrayaan 2 mission? 6 wheels. Option D. In Chandrayaan 2 mission, communication with lander Vikram was lost at blank from the lunar surface. At 2.1 km from lunar surface. Option C. How much time was taken by Chandrayaan 2 lander to reach near the moon's surface? 2.1 km away from moon. 48 days. Option B. In October 2022, which among the following substances was mapped in abundance for the first time by Chandrayaan 2 on Moon? It's sodium. Option B. How much did the mission Chandrayaan 2 cost? It's 978 crore rupees. Option A. Who was the chairman of ISRO at the time of Chandrayaan 2 mission? It's K. Sivan. Option D. When was mission Chandrayaan 3 launched? On 14 July 2023. Option A. On which part of the moon will Chandrayaan 3 land? South pole of the moon. Option C. How many modules are there in Chandrayaan 3? Three modules. Option C. Chandrayaan 3 is launched from Satish Dhawan Space Center, Sriharikota, Andhra Pradesh. Option A. What is the objective of mission Chandrayaan 3? It's all of the above. Option D. India will be the blank country to reach the south pole of moon on successful execution of mission Chandrayaan 3. The answer is option C, first. Chandrayaan 3 was launched with the help of blank rocket. It's LVM-3M4. Option B. What is the name of the lander of Chandrayaan 3? Vikram. Option C. What is the name of the rover of Chandrayaan 3? Pragyan. Option A. Who is known as the Rocket Man of India? It's K. Sivan. Option D. India will become blank country to successfully land its robotic spacecraft on the surface of the moon. Fourth country. Option D. The lander and rover are expected to land near the lunar South Pole region on 23rd August 2023. Option B. Who is the chairman of ISRO at the time of Chandrayaan 3 mission? It's S. Somanath. Option A. Who is the project director of Chandrayaan 3 mission? It's P. V. Muthuvel. Option D. Mission Chandrayaan 3 is the blank mission of India to the moon. Its third mission. Option C. What is the theme of Mission Chandrayaan 3? The answer is option A. Science of the Moon. How much did it cost in launching of Mission Chandrayaan 3? It's 615 crores. Option D. Who is known as the Rocket Woman of India? Ritu Karidhal. Option B. Which of the following is not there in Chandrayaan 3? Answer is option D. Orbiter. What is the full form of PSLV? It's Polar Satellite Launch Vehicle. Option B. Who is known as the Moon Man of India? It's Maliyaswamy Annadurai. Option A. What is the full form of GSLV? It's Geosynchronous Satellite Launch Vehicle. Option C. What is the name of main rocket engine for Chandrayaan 3? It's CE-20 cryogenic engine. Option A. What is the total weight of Chandrayaan 3? It's 3900 kg. Option D. Which of the following module is present in Chandrayaan 3 mission? It's all of the above. Option D. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.